Hello children, good afternoon all. Let us begin with our exercise today 13.2. Here in your first question they have given CSA of the right circular cylinder as 88 cm square whose height is 14 cm. They have asked to find the diameter of the base. We know our CSA formula as 2 pi RH and where 2R becomes the diameter. Whatever is given in the question, I have first written children. Height of the cylinder H as 14 centimeters. Diameter I know it as 2R. I have written here CSA formula I know 2 pi RH. With CSA they have given as 88 centimeters square. Hence I will further substitute the pi value as 22 by 7 and height as 14. And then take to the other side and then go for cancellation process. On taking 22 by 7 to the other side, it becomes 7 by 22. Cancel 22 ones are 22 fours are. Again 7 ones are 7 twos are 14 gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. Hence my diameter is 2 centimeter. Now coming to the second question children, they have given height as 1 meter and diameter of the base as 140 centimeter. Here is a small complication children, one value that is height is been given in meters and the other value is in centimeters. Either you can convert both into centimeters or both into meters as your wish, and you have to find here to make a closed cylindrical tank. Closed means you will take TSA children. As per our question, I have noted down the given values children. Here the height of the cylinder is 1 meter. The diameter of the base is 140 centimeters. Therefore, 2R is equal to 140 centimeters. Henceforth, 2 will come to the denominator when it goes to the other side. 2 ones are 2 70s are gets cancelled. But it is 70 centimeters children. Both I said it should have the common units of measurements. Hence, I will convert 70 into meter. 70 divided by 100, 0 gets cancelled, 7 by 10 becomes 0.7 meter children. Now in your question they have given closed cylindrical tank children, hence I will take TSA of the cylinder. So TSA of the cylinder formula is 2 pi R into R plus H. On substituting the values for pi, it will become 22 by 7. R we have found out here earlier as 0.7 meter, and again R value I will write it as 0.7. H is 1 meter. On adding 0.7 and 1, it becomes 1.7. 7 ones are 7 0.1s are gets cancelled. On multiplication of 22 and 0.1, it becomes 2.2. Further multiplication 2 into 2.2 becomes 4.4. 1.7 as it is in the bracket children. Then further on multiplication of 4.4 into 1.7, I will get 7.48 meter square children. Further in your question they have asked how many square meters of sheet is required for the same. Henceforth I have written here the conclusion. Therefore 7.48 meter square of sheet is required to make a closed cylindrical tank. Here is a third question children. They have given a metal pipe of 77 centimeters long, means height of the pipe is 77 centimeters. The inner radius is 4 centimeters and the outer radius is 4.4 centimeters. Can you see here this in the cylindrical shape children? Inner radius means this portion and outer radius means up to the outer circle. Inner circle and outer circle. Can you observe here two kinds of circles are there? I have shown here. One is the smaller one. You can take this circle and the outer one. This is in cylindrical in shape. Further they have asked to find inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area, total surface area. I will show you how to find out. As they have given inner diameter, I should find inner radius. So I will divide by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. And similarly, outer radius 4.4 by 2 is 2.2. I have taken inner radius as R1 and outer radius as R2. Height is nothing but the length of the cylindrical pipe children. So H is equal to 77 centimeters. In order to find CSA of the inner surface of the pipe, I should take R1 children. Hence R1 I got as 2 centimeters. On substitution of the values, 2 into 22 by 7 into 2 into 77. 7 ones are 7 11s are. On further multiplication of 2 into 22 into 2 into 11, I will get 968 centimeters square children. This is the CSA of the inner surface area of pipe. Similarly, what will be the CSA for the outer surface area of the pipe? Same way R2 I am going to substitute as 2.2. Now on cancellation, 7 ones are 7 sevens are, remaining all numbers I am going to multiply. I will get 1064.8 centimeters square children. For your third question, this formula is very important children. Kindly by heart this formula. Total surface of area of the pipe means CSA of inner surface, CSA of outer surface plus area of both the ends means top and bottom. They have asked TSA means it is a closed pipe. So area of top and bottom you have to write. Area of the circle I known as pi r square. There are two circles, so 2 pi r square, as there are two dimensions of radius r2 and r1, so my formula becomes 2 pi r2 square minus r1 square. I know CSA of inner pipe is 2 pi r1h, outer pipe is 2 pi r2h, and area of both the ends is 2 pi r2 square minus r1 square children. Now substitute the values as you got earlier. First answer is 968, second answer is 1064.8, and remaining values I will substitute here. 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.2 square minus 2 square. 2.2 square becomes 4.84 minus 4. So, on further calculation, what we will get? On adding 968 and 1064.8, I will get 2032.8 plus 44 by 7. On multiplication 2 and 22, I get 44 by 7. And further subtraction of these two numbers, I will get 0.84. Cancel. 7 ones are 0.12. Many children will try to cancel this 7 with the 2032.8 children. Here you should not cancel because plus sign is there. On further multiplication 44 and 0.12, I will get 5.28. On adding these two numbers, I will get 2038.08 centimeters square children. This is the total surface area of a cylindrical pipe children. Here in your fourth question, they have given diameter of the roller. Roller I will consider as a cylinder, and diameter is given. I will find the radius by dividing it by 2. Length is nothing but height of the roller children. If it completes 500 revolutions, what is the area of the playground, they have asked children. If I take this as an roller, see here it is cylindrical in shape. One time if it rolls means 1 CSA. Similarly, it is rolling 500 times this in children. So, first I will find CSA and multiply with 500. So, I will get the area of the total playground where it has been rolled. So here according to the question, the roller is cylindrical in shape. Length of the roller is nothing but height of the cylinder. I have written what are the given values. I found out the radius, and further I will find the CSA of the roller children. Here I have written first time according to the question. Next time onwards I will write ATQ. ATQ means according to the question. Now CSA of the formula I have written 2 pi RH. I have substituted the value of R and H. I cancelled 7 ones are 7 6 are 42. I multiplied 31,680 is the centimeter square of one revolution. If it is for 500 revolutions, I should multiply with 500. On multiplying with 500, I will get 15840000 centimeter square. 1 meter is 100 centimeter. 1 meter square is 10,000 centimeter. On dividing this with 10,000, I will get 1584 meter square. Why I should write this in meter square means in your question they have asked find the area in meter square. Thank you children.